Almost every home delivery companies are focusing heavily on improving their last-mile delivery efficiency. But what does future hold for last-mile delivery? Companies like Amazon and Google have been experimenting with drone deliveries for a few years now, and it's only going to get more advanced from here. Imagine getting your package delivered straight to your doorstep by a tiny flying robot. And speaking of robots, delivery robots are another trend to watch out for. These autonomous vehicles can navigate sidewalks and bike lanes to get your package to you quickly and efficiently. Plus, they're pretty cute, aren't they? Of course, we can't forget about the delivery by humans. But even that is getting an upgrade. Electric bikes are becoming more popular for delivery personnel, allowing them to zip through traffic and get your package to you in a flash. And then there are these apps that can help drivers optimize their routes, track their deliveries in real time, and communicate with customers. Plus, they're super easy to use, even for non-tech savvy drivers. Next, we have delivery management software like Logi Next Mile, which can help warehouse workers streamline their picking and packing processes, reducing errors and improving efficiency. With last-mile delivery software, workers can easily pick items from the shelves and pack them into boxes for delivery. And speaking of efficiency, you can even optimize routes to avoid traffic, find the fastest routes, and get to their destinations on time, reducing the number of miles driven and improving fuel efficiency by using such software. Of course, we can't forget about the customers. Logi Next Mile allows your customers to track their packages in real time and receive updates on their delivery status. This enables great customer experience. To keep up with these modern trends, Logi Next is here to help resolve your last-mile delivery hurdles with a sophisticated solution. No matter what delivery method is used, the most important thing is getting your package delivered to your customers safely and on time. And with all these exciting innovations, the future of last-mile delivery looks pretty bright.